What happens when the earth begins to change? Not slowly, but rapidly, right before our eyes. When seasons shift, oceans rise, and skies darken with smoke. When what was once predictable becomes uncertain. This is climate change.
Good day everyone, welcome to our vlog. We are grateful to have you with us today. In this video, we will talk about an important issue that affects not only other countries, but also each one of us in our community: climate change. Many people think that climate change is something far away, or something that will happen in the future. But the truth is, it is already happening right now. We can see it in our surroundings, we can feel it in the heat, and we can experience it through stronger storms and floods.
These changes are caused mainly by human activities, such as cutting down trees, burning fossil fuels, and producing too much waste. Because of these activities, the earth is getting warmer. The weather becomes more extreme and unpredictable. Some days are extremely hot, while other days bring heavy rain and strong typhoons. These changes are no longer just global issues we hear about on the news, they are already happening here in our own community.
In this video, we will show how climate change affects our local ecosystem. An ecosystem includes plants, animal, water, land, and people living together in one place. We will talk about how climate change affects our farms, rivers, seas, forests, and even our daily lives.
You will also hear real-life experiences from members of our community, such as farmers, fisher folks, students, and elders, who have seen and felt these changes firsthand. Through this blog, we hope to raise awareness to help everyone understand why taking care of our environment is important, not only for nature, but also for our future generations.
So, what is climate change?
Climate change happens when the usual weather patterns of the earth slowly change over a long period of time. This includes change in temperatures, rainfall, and seasons. Climate change is mainly caused by human activities, such as burning fossil fuels like oil and gas, cutting down trees, and producing too much waste. When trees are cut down, there are fewer plants to absorb carbon dioxide, which makes the problem worse.
These human activities increase greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide and methane. Greenhouse gases trap heat from the sun, just like how a blanket traps warmth around our body. This process is called the greenhouse effect. Because too much heat is trapped, the earth becomes warmer. This is known as global warming, and it affects the balance of our climate system.
As a result, weather patterns become unpredictable and extreme. We experience stronger storms, heavier rainfall, longer droughts, and rising temperatures. These changes affect not only the environment but also people's lives. Understanding what climate change is helps us realize why we need to take actions now to protect our planet and our community.
Before, our crops grew well because the weather was balanced. Now, long droughts and sudden floods destroy our harvests. Climate change affects agriculture by damaging crops, reducing food supply, and making farming harder for local farmers. The fish are fewer now, the water is warmer, and sometimes there are strong storms that prevent us from fishing.
Rising temperatures and population harm marine ecosystems, affecting fish population and livelihood of fisherfolk.
Forests suffer from extreme heat and deforestation. Animals lost their homes, and some species may disappear. Because of extreme heat and flooding, classes are often suspended. It affects our learning and health.
Guys, suspended bukas. Yes. Hindi na sobrang init. Tataas ang temperature bukas.
Climate change affects not only nature but also health, education, and daily life in the community. We can help fight climate change by planting trees, reducing waste, and conserving energy. Small actions, when done together, can protect our local ecosystem and our future. Awareness and cooperations are key. Everyone has a role.
To express our heartfelt gratitude to our teachers, school administrator, and community members for their guidance and support.
We also thank our presenters, actors, and everyone who helped make this vlog possible. Most of all, we thank you, our viewers, for taking the time to learn about climate change and its effect on our local ecosystem.